The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. Right now we're doing VeChain minus 2.37% in red, and it's looking good. And you might be like, dude, how it's looking good when it's in red? And you see this candle over here, that's the red candle. Right now we're hitting, we already hit these two lines below that, and that's a good thing, and I'm gonna explain to you why that's a good thing. That's we got something called daily altcoins video, where we rank 30 coins up and down, like what's good, what's not. We also look at VeChain as well there every single day. We look at what has pumped, what is finished pumping, what is supposed to pump, and stuff like that. Like we look at the technicals and try to figure out what's a good buy and what's not a good buy. That said, if you got some trouble picking out coins, that might actually be a video for you, so check out the link below for the Patreon. That said, check out also the link for the Telegram group. 3,323 members. We just broke 3.3k. Looking good, pumping those numbers as well. We're just trying to pump all kinds of numbers on this channel. That said, you are welcome to join the Telegram group. Very nice bunch of people. And let's get into the chart and see what's actually happening with VeChain and why this is actually a good thing. So first of all, I'm going to explain to you a little bit about the lines that we have on this channel, or right now on this here. The 0.25 line, that's the top resistance that we want to break. That's the one up here. This line that goes down here that we have broken, but we are below right now. It's actually the resistance up here. Technically, it's not broken because this red candle that came after the green candle invalidated entire move. So this is like it never happened. So basically, this resistance is still intact, and we have not broken it. So right now we are going down, but you saw those two lines below here that we actually hit. That's actually a good sign. I'm going to explain to you why. So this line of resistance is still in play, and that's at around 2.2, right? So we want to break 0.22 and go up to 0.25, and after that we want to follow this line all the way up to there, to the moon, right? And this moon is strategically set at $1. I don't know. I actually want to put it here, but you know, I put up there. Anyways, we have a strategically placed moon where our target is at. Why not? I mean, you can pick and choose targets. That said, these other two lines are these resistances. So basically, we had the one important trend line down here. Let me just make it a little bit thicker. So this line also is acting as a important resistance that we never broke. We did break 0.22 here, right? But then it was like we never broke that. But this line is also very, very important, and we want to break also that line as well. So there is all kinds of lines. Also this line down here that was actually previously acting as support, right now is acting as a resistance on the way up. So there is a lot of things happening right over here in this area that we have to break. But once we break this target up here, 25, there is almost no resistance on the upside, and that's like some kind of price discovery area, and then the price is actually gonna go like, you know, sky high. So that's what we actually trying to get. We're trying to get above 25, but when you are in these kind of patterns where there's a lot of trading going on, there are a lot of resistance, you have to expect some kind of push pull thing going on. So now let's break back our moving averages and see what's actually happening down here. So this is the 10 and 20 moving average. I'm gonna clean a little bit up here so you can see this nicely. Let's do this actually like this. So this 10 moving average, that's the white line, and the 20 moving average is the red line. Those are acting as supports right now because we are above them. We are above the moving averages, so they are supports. So the fact that we actually went down there, got support there, and got back, bought back up again, gives us a bullish signal. Not only that, this high up here is higher than this high, and this high up here is higher than this high, and this high is higher than this high, if this can be considered high. So all through we have had higher highs. This is a very good thing. This low is higher than this low, and right now we are getting some kind of new low or something like this. As long as we don't fall below this level down here, I think we're gonna be golden. That's around somewhere at 0.187. As long as the price doesn't go all the way down there, like we golden. Technically it can go however long it wants to go, but it cannot go past this level down here. If it goes past level, that becomes bearish, and we might actually fall further down, looking at some kind of a 50 moving average, something like that. I don't expect that to happen. That's a low probability chance, but still a probability. It can, like, stuff has happened before. Probability is right now is to upside. I gotta tell you, probability, most probability is to the upside, especially ever since we went all the way down there to the 10 and 20 moving average, and right now getting some kind of support there. So that's looking good. Now today is a Sunday, so we gotta talk about this. Today is a Sunday, tomorrow is Monday. That means that the weekly close is gonna happen, and I don't know if you understand that, but we have been talking like 2 weeks ago on this candle up here. We've been talking about how important this red candle was for VeChain. I was doing VeChain to go into multi-week red candles, multi-week red candles. Luckily for you guys, it never happened. We only went down as expected because Bitcoin pulled it down, and right now we are climbing on green candles. And climbing on green candles, although we are still not above the all-time high here at 0.26, we are still climbing with green candles. It's easier to climb on green candles than on red candle, than going through consolidation in the red candles. Because if you have the red candle up here and then the red candle down there and the red candle, you know, it just kills your soul a little bit, you know. Seeing the red candles all the time, it's a lot easier to survive when you see these small pumps, like a couple of percent or something like that. So this is actually very good for us. And if we actually manage to close at about this level up here, the RSI, this is something we call the rubber bear index on this channel. You don't want to extend it, because we were extended 93 on this candle up here. We are extended. That's why we had to go into some kind of a consolidation correction phase, and that's why it was a very good thing that we had a big correction and pull this RSI all the way down to 66, which is some kind of normal level for a weekly time frame. We are still at very nice levels around 70, so we are getting ready to blast off to the moon. We are not extended from the 10 moving average, that's the white line as well. So all in all, it looks very good for a further move up. We are sitting closely on the 10 and 20 moving average. Let me just go a little bit back in time to get back our lines. There are lines, so it looks very good. We are expecting this to continue moving up. Where it's going to continue moving up tomorrow or not, it's a little bit hard to tell, but it does look good, and we don't want to fall below down here. Let's now go to the small time frames, 4 hourly, and see what's actually happening. And I think it actually this 50 moving average on the 4 hourly time frame right over here where we are right now might actually give us some kind of hope that we are bottoming out. So what you can do, or what you can follow on your charts for until tomorrow, is these 2 moving averages on the 4 hourly time frame. Don't go to 1 hourly 30 minutes, go to 4 hourly time frame and follow these 2 moving averages. That's the simple 10 moving average and 20 moving average, and follow those and this 50 moving average down here. So what you want to see is if the price can manage to get above the moving averages. If the price gets above the moving averages, it looks super bullish. If it starts breaking the 50 moving average, it needs to find support on some of these 2 lines down here. But right now I just think it will be squeezed between these 2 and eventually pop above the moving averages and get above. So that's your job for today. That's what you can do until tomorrow. Watch if we actually can get above certain moving averages on the 4 hourly time frame. That's it. Subscribe to the channel and come back tomorrow to watch another VeChain video, another update to see if this actually managed to do good or not, because Bitcoin is right now having some kind of pullback, so tomorrow might actually be green day. And if tomorrow is green day for Bitcoin, then it might be green day for altcoins, and we do Bitcoin every single day on this channel because it's important for altcoins. So check down below the link to the Patreon, check the link to the Telegram, join the Telegram group, man. A lot of nice people growing every day, super nice community and stuff like that. Now that all of these HD people, you know, with the hyper disruptive order, have clicked away from the video, because usually as soon as I say on the video, and that's it for today, like I tell you guys, like only 10% of people left, and that's you guys that are left on this video. So I want you, all of the people that are left watching the video, go to the Telegram group, you know, join there, because we need some sensible people, calm people that can actually explain to others, do not day trade, stay calm, you know, things are gonna be okay, because I think you guys are really patient, and patient people are the ones actually who do good in trading. So we need more of those people. Thanks you guys for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate watching all the way through the video, and it's been nice having you here. Thanks a bunch. See you around. Bye bye.